How to fix Play Store server error. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go directly to apps option, and here you have to search only for Play Store. Open Play Store when you found it, then where is Google Play Store, then go to storage option and click on clear data, click OK, go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now what's next? You have to restart your phone after this, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another